on, guys? Your boy S4 James is back with another video. You watched the last one, was an unboxing of the changing disc from TSHYA. Well, you know, the sanding material. Right now, we're actually going to start using these discs and apply it to something like sander related, of course. Then we're going to apply it to this vehicle right here. Actually going to grind down the rust on it, or the paint, or the dirt. But right now, we're going through the 270-pound, well, not 270-pound, 270-piece kit over here to figure out which one we want to use. So once we figure out which one we use, we're going to show you guys how it works and give you our recommendation if you should use it or not. All right, guys. We decided to go with the, is that the 36? Yeah, that's the 36.
36,
yeah, the 36 grit, well, grinder. We're going to try it somewhere on here.
works like a charm.
Yeah, actually does. Works pretty well.
I didn't think these little things would do all that.
They say it does it. It's doing the job. So that was with the 36. We're going to try one more, and then just, you know, like I said, it's a 270-piece kit. So we just did with 36. We'll try with another one to show you guys how that works, and then we'll just give you guys our final results right after. All right, guys. So we're going to go with one of the finer ones. That was a red one. The red ones were like more of the fine polisher ones. We'll see how it works right here. That's pretty good. That's pretty good.
I love it.
That's pretty good. Oh man, that's definitely pretty good. All right, so you guys see how it works with these chains discs. He did it with a coarser one, and then he did it with a more smooth and polisher one. Actually, he's going again with it right now. We definitely recommend it. Since this is a shop, we do a lot of work here, so this definitely works out for us. So shout out to TSHYA Manufacturer. I put their name in the description and above because I know I'm probably pronouncing this wrong. Shout out to Frank again, you know, allowed us to collab and do this as well. I'll see you guys on another video.